In this video here, I don't like the contrast between the dark background and the light foreground. I want to balance out the coloring better, or at least make the whole thing seem more appealing. The best way to do this is to go to the FX on the far side, the fancy logo, the one below the stylus option. And then I'm just gonna scroll down here. There's so many effects that you can add, but I'm gonna go farther down towards the bottom. And I'm just gonna go all the way down, coming up on it. I mean, there's hundreds of options in here, but it's here. Come on. And I'm gonna pick one of these options down here to kind of give it a different look, a different vibe. I like this one right here. I'm gonna just insert it on this clip here. Ooh. And now I can go up here and change the blend level to kind of give the atmosphere that I want. To kind of see how it evens it out more by going more to the sepia tone. These start to stand out more and there's less difference in this space by doing that. And I can pick the saturation, lightness, hue on here. I can decide what colors I want, or if I want a better blend of them. I'm gonna go with saturation, and I'm gonna see about taking it right to there to really make it stand out more, give much more color. See, the old bland is over here, and then we have the nice colorful version over here. I mean, a lot of people use this, but in my personal standing, I say get the lighting the way you want it in your video first, rather than going back and giving it all this pop that was never really there and can never be seen by the human eye. And then again, stuff like this here, where it's not taken with an actual camera, and it kind of looks the same all across the board, it's nice to change the coloring.